Do they really got legit sneakers for $15? Really? Wow. Burlington giving out steals? Wow. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Haven't done a Ross or Burlington trip in a while. So let's go see what's up. Starting with one of Bossco, aka Bobby Thrift's favorite Burlington right here in North Hollywood. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go see what's up. Bobby Thrift, Hustler Hacks. A lot of you guys on social media have been finding all kinds of dope apparel. So we definitely got to check things out. Look at this. Found this right here. Nice little Nike jacket. Normally 90 bucks down to 30. Color's just definitely interesting. So I've already checked the jacket section. Now they have a coat section? How the hell is a coat and a jacket different? Alright, didn't find anything in the jacket section. Let's check the coats. Man, I've gone through this entire coat section. Haven't really found much. Just these members only jackets. People have been wearing members only lately. Is that coming back? Have no clue, but it is $25. Even went through the sweater sections and coat. Like nothing, man, nothing. All right, let's check out sneakers, dude. This is not working out. This place also has that single entrance to the sneaker section right here. Starting with the smaller sizes, 8.5. Got some forums right here. These are 9.37 for those. Damn, I just realized my phone settings were off. It was on 1080p. I have no clue why it was on 1080p. My bad, you guys. My bad. But yeah, we'll be coming to you from 4K from now on. I don't know the price of these. These have been, what, 35? Yeah, 35 for the Trae Youngs. And, of course, Burlington's been the location to find a million of those. Got Chucks right here. They don't even come with laces? Or is this one of the ones where you don't need laces? Still, you should come with them, don't they? $15? $15 for Chucks? Wow. Wow, that's insane. I'm gonna be honest, that's crazy. They got so many sneakers. They're hanging them up on top right here. D Rose going for $40. I think those are like a size 9 or something. T-Mac 1s right here. T-Mac 1s. These are size 7 though. But yeah, what these been going for? What's $35. Adidas foams. More and more of these. We've been seeing a ton of these here. $20. Did they lower the price for 20 bucks? Holy crap, really? Wow, these retail for what, 120 or something? Oh, they got me. They got me. These ain't even Adidas. They're the knockoffs. Grant Hills, of course, $35. Also got some Crocs. These are legit Crocs. They're just the raised ones. Go for $27. Superstars, these are huge. Size 11.5. I'm in the 9.5 section, so I say they're huge. $40 for those. All right, in the size 10, we got some legit Adi foams right here. We've been seeing plenty of those. Those are $33. Yeah, these are size 9. Infinity Run Flyknits. These are Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Size 13, $50. So are the Nikes starting to go down in prices? Because that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Got some T-Mac 3s in all patent leather. Got the 8-ball one right there. That's actually pretty dope. That's actually pretty dope. They got that little 8-ball thing right here with the saying impossible is nothing. That's actually pretty fire. $35 for those. The size 12. Maybe I came too late today. It's almost 10 o'clock. They've been open for over an hour. I know it is about catching restocks, but I also know they restock early in the morning before they open as well. So it's so much luck involved. They got the fake foam runners right there. They do have some Crocs, but we've been seeing Crocs even at the retail stores go for hella cheap, 25 bucks. I think I'm gonna have to find one at Champs. Champs been having some deals on Crocs. And then checking out the women's section, they got so many sneakers that are like falling on the floor, but any heat though? I don't really see much. Like got RBX specials right there. Got some super generic Pumas right there. Tommy Hilfiger's. Of course, got plenty of Fila, the Disrupt right here. But I wouldn't say anything heat. Wouldn't say anything worth really showing you guys. All right, I think we're gonna have to move on. Oh, we got some Superstars right here. That's about it though, man. That's about it. $40 for those. That's about it, man. Damn, I can't believe I've been shooting I've been shooting 1080p for so long. Alright, dude, got a Ross next door, let's go. What I've seen, it seems like, I don't know, in my area Ross has more than Burlington. I know on social media it seems like a lot of people have been finding stuff on Burlington. Dude got some NBA apparel, like I know it's like lower end, but this ain't bad. 25 bucks? That's not bad. That is a small one. Michigan State right here. Nice little hoodie, $30, normally $65. Nike t-shirt. They got all kinds of Nike stuff here. $17 for those. Under Armour pullover in a medium. Last few finds have been in the medium. $30 for this one. Adidas track jacket going for $30. Make sure you get that stuff off. Got these in a medium as well. 25 bucks. Lakers jacket. Generic U brand. $25. Not too bad. Salute to Service, USC. What was this? I want to say hoodie, really thin hoodie, or long sleeve shirt, whatever. Like this ain't bad. Normally 52, going for 20 bucks. Pretty fire for USC fans, or USC alma mater. Just the generic blank Nike jersey. $10 for those bad boys in a size large. Bulls have been finding all kinds of dope jackets. I ain't finding nothing. I've been to a few spots too, and I haven't been finding nothing in the jackets here. Maybe it's because it's Southern California. You know, we don't really need jackets like that, but at least have something, a little something. This section too also has a jacket section, then an outerwear section. What the hell? Oh, okay. Got New Balance jackets. I've been seeing these consistently going for 35 bucks. Decent little poofy jacket, especially if you're a New Balance fan. Vans jacket, if you're big into Vans. Normally $130. They got them for $40 here. Got a ton of these New Balance jackets in various sizes. All right, we're moving on to the sneakers now. See if we can find some super cheap Ultra Boosts. It's been a while since I've found one. I don't know. Have you guys been finding those Ultra Boosts for 25 bucks? Have I just not been putting enough effort into it? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, definitely a dearth of legit stuff right here. I thought these were some New Balances right here, but Puma coming out with those type of stuff? What the hell? Got some Hokas in crazy huge sizes, size 13. Not even that big. They look a lot bigger. But that's about it, man. There's really not much. I'm looking for Crocs. I'm looking for some running shoes. Not much. All right, got these right here. I did hear that people are finding like size 10s and stuff like these and these True Blues. These are another size 16. $63 for those. In the women's section, I do see some men's. These are men's 10 right here. Some Forum lows. They're going for $45. We've seen them even at the retail shops for 40, 50 bucks lately, right? Pretty fire Crocs right here. These are the ones with the lining on them. Dang it, I probably would have grabbed them. Oh, these are men's 11 too, though. Too big. $23 for those. That's pretty fire with the Galaxy stuff on them. Got Vans right here. And the women's, $37 for these. I got some, what are these, the waffle racers, $45. That's about it though, man. Dang it. All right, let's go to the next spot. Our Burbank Mall, or the Burbank Town Center. I didn't know they had Tesla supercharged up here. Dang, dude, all the Tesla fools now. All right, starting in the jackets or coats or whatever. Another Nike Storm Fit jacket right here. This is a dry fit, I think, right? There's a Storm Fit. No, Storm Fit separate. $200 normally. Where's the Burlington price, doggies? $2 normally. And they don't even say what the price is. Oh, okay, $50 for that. Normally $2. Damn, dude, Storm Fit, hella expensive, huh? Not too familiar with that. Nike hoodie right here. This is pretty fat though, dude. This is pretty dope. Nike NYC, normally $65. These go for $25. This is actually pretty dope. Hustle and bustle, just do it. That's not bad for $25. All right, so that was the jacket section. Now we're in the coat section. Do got Adidas puff jacket right here. Normally $120. These are going for 50 bucks. Reebok poofy jacket right here. And it shows what insulation is in there. $1.65 down to $40. Got a New Balance jacket. This is kind of like the same as the last one that we saw. These are going for $50. Nike pullover extra fluffy here in the fleece section right here. Yeah, these are going for $35. Red Nike track jacket. These bad boys normally $85 under $25. That's a hell of a deal right there. Got one of these in this color as well. $1.50 down to $35. Did grab one of these last week. This is just NFL apparel. I think it's an irregular. Because if you see right there, it does say 49ers upside down. It looks like it accidentally got pressed or something. I don't know. Yeah, 10 bucks. I still don't mind. I still rock it. Another one of these in a large. $135 down to 35 bucks. Adidas hoodie right here. Going for what? I don't know what the price. 40 down to, this is only $40. That's hella cheap. Down to $17. The Nike Dry Fit. This is a triple X tall. They letting these go for $30. Okay. All right, some decent finds. Nothing crazy though. Do have a legit sneaker section here. See if we can find some steals. Alarms going off like crazy, and finding these. These are size 8. We've been seeing a bunch of Adidas foams here, $35. Bunch of different colorways, bunch of different sizes. Got some ACG boots right here. I know these are hella legit. What are these going for? Size 9.5. These go for $100. $100. I know ACG boots normally go for a ton. $100 though. Wow. Got some huge Crocs right here. Size men's 14 right here. Go for 25 bucks. Got some Reeboks. These look like they got an old school flavor, but I don't recognize them. $35 for those. Of course, more Grant Hill 2s. And they are being priced down. The New York Knicks colorway go for $27. Vans, we've seen a million of these. These are some skate lows. I don't know the price. They will go for 35 or something. Gill Zeros. Size 10. $40 for those. These rest of month right here, size 11. This was a 10.5. I probably would grab these. But yeah, $35 for these. This one has that metal on the tongue. I kind of like that metal plate right there. Pretty fire. But yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. Adidas cleats right here, size 11, 20 bucks. Some baseball cleats, it looks like. Got some peach rings right here that someone didn't want to put back. $4. That's a lot of peach rings for $4. Size 5 in the men's section right here. What the hell? But yeah, do got these. Some Hardens. I have seen this colorway. This might have been the exact one. I've seen $4 for those. And then one of the dopest colorways of the Grant Hill 2, size 7. Material is just amazing on these two. But yeah, these go for $35. All right, right across the street, do got a Ross. So last stop for the day, man. This is where I did find the Aaron Rodgers jersey. They still got him. I'm gonna grab this for one of my boys who's a big Packers fan. Yeah, man. $40, dude. $40 for an Aaron Rodgers jersey. Yeah, he doesn't play there anymore, but he's a Hall of Famer, dude, right? Oh, this was red. I was like, is this a Niner jersey? No, because I know in some spots you guys have been finding Niner jerseys. Not in California, or not in Southern California. I know Northern California is one of the spots y'all been finding them. Murray jersey, normally $1.30. These have been, what, 40 bucks? Yep, 40 bucks. Of course, we got the Horn jersey as well, going for 40. These are all mediums. Is that an Aaron Donald jersey? That's not bad. This ain't bad. This is small, though. But yeah, 40 bucks for Aaron Donald jersey. Not bad at all. That is fire. A small Nike hoodie, go for $22. A vest right here, Nike vest, size medium. $90 down to $25. Dodgers jacket. This is just, I think, MLB apparel. Oh, okay, yeah, it's Stitches brand. Not one of the higher brands, but $25. That is pretty fire, dude. $25. And this does look like a large, or oh, it's a medium. This medium looks big. But yeah, $25 for a Dodgers jacket, pretty dope. Lakers hoodie right here, low end brand. $17. Got a huge Aaron Rodgers jersey, double XL, going for $40. Moving over to the sneakers. What size are these? 'Cause these look pretty decent. These are size 9. Should I take it? Should I take it? I've been trying to find some size 9 stuff. I might take them. I don't even want the full box anyways. I'm gonna grab these. Then Crocs. They do got Crocs. These are size 11. Go for what, $29.99 or something? Dude got Chargers gear now. They don't have the Cowboys stuff anymore, but these are pretty dope. Pretty dope pillow. If they had a Niners one, obviously I would grab it, especially since it is heavily discounted. $17 for those. That's actually pretty fire. All right, I did peruse the sneaker section. Really nothing much, and not even worth showing. Yes, I'm grabbing these right here, as well as these. Gonna grab these as well. And then, of course, that Ross line. These lines get ridiculous. There's only 2 registers open. They got all these people here, 2 registers open. Mother lover. God dang it.